Good morning, students. Today we are studying a topic weight of an object on the moon. Now previously we have studied about Newton's law of gravitation. According to Newton's law of gravitation, every object in this universe attracts another object with some force, and which is directly proportional to the product of their mass and inversely proportional to the square of their distance. Today we are considering a topic, the weight of an object on the moon. Here we will consider that if the suppose of an we are taking an object, if suppose an object is there on the surface of the earth. Now this object, it is taken on the surface of the moon, and after going on to the moon, what would be its weight? That will deriving a relationship, that what is the weight on the surface of the moon. We are considering the mass of an object be small m, its weight on the moon is Wm. Let the mass of the moon, it is capital mm. So this is the capital mm, and m is the mass of the moon, and rm is the radius of the moon. Now by applying the universal law of gravitation, the weight on the moon will be Wm equal to, we know that it is the product of their mass and inversely proportional to the square of their distance. So the weight on the moon will be g, the product of the two masses, that is the mm into smaller m upon r square. So Wm is the weight on the moon, capital G is the universal gravitational constant, this is the mass of the moon, this is the mass of the object, this is the radius of the moon. Similarly, we will calculate the weight on the surface of earth. Okay, so we are assuming, let the weight of the same object on the earth, it is weight We, this is the weight on the earth. The mass of the earth, it is considered as capital M, and the radius is considered as in capital R. So here also we will apply the universal law of gravitation, and according to universal law of gravitation, capital G We will be equal to capital G mm upon r square. So in both this equation, we will be substituting the values which are there, like the mm is the mass of the moon, mass of the object, radius of the moon, capital G is the universal gravitational constant, this is the mass of the earth, mass of the object, and the radius of the earth. So we are writing of the mass of both the celestial body, that is the earth and the moon. The mass in the kg we are writing as 5.98 into 10 to the power 24, 7.36 into 10 to the power 23. The radius of the moon, it is 6.37 into 10 to the power 6, and 1.74 into 10 to the power 6. These values you have to learn. The mass of the earth, it is 5.98 into 10 to the power 24. Radius, it is 6.37 10 to the power 6. 7.36 into 10 to the power 22, and 1.74 into 10 to the power 6. Now you have to substitute these values in the equation number 1 and 2. The equation number of the 1 was g mm into m upon rm square. So g will be, we are just writing g as it is, okay, and m also we are writing as it is, okay. We are only substituting the values of the, that is the mass of the moon we are substituting, that is 7.36 into 10 to the power 22, and radius of the moon we are substituting as the 1.7. this is the values are given, 1.74 into 10 to the power 6. So when you solve it, you will get 2.41 into 10 to the power 10, okay. When you will be solving, you will be getting, now here when you will be multiply, what you will be getting, 6 to the 12, okay. So it will be 10 to the power 12, and this 10 to the power 12, when we will going on the numerator part, it will be minus 12, and 22 minus 12 you will be getting 10. And this part, when you will be solving, you will be getting 2.431 into g as it is, m as it is. Similarly, in the when you substitute the values in the second equation, that is We equal to g mm upon r square. G we are writing as it is, mass of the earth 5.98 10 to the power 24 into m, and we are just keeping m as it is. The radius of the earth we are writing 6.37 into 10 to the power 6, and its square. Now similarly you have to do here is 24, 6 to the 12, okay. So 24 minus, when you will do the 12, you will get this value 10 to the power 11, and on solving this both part, you will be getting 1.74 into 10 to the power 11, and g and m is as it is. Now here we will divide this weight of the moon divide by weight on the earth. We are comparing, so we'll substitute both these values, 2.431 into 10 to the power 10 into g into m, and here 1.474 into 10 to the power 11 g into m. This g and small m will get cancelled, and finally you will be getting the weight on the moon upon weight of the earth equal to 0.165. When you will solve this part, you will be getting 0.165, which is approximately equal to 1 upon 6. So we can say from this equation, the weight on the moon, it is 1/6 of the earth. So whatever the weight of the earth will be there, you have to just divide it by 6. If suppose 60 is the weight on the earth, so you divide by 6, so 10 will be the weight on the surface of moon. So weight on the moon will be 1/6, or we can say you have to divide it by 6, the weight of the surface of earth.